What's the deal, y'all? So today is the 3-month mark since I quit my job, and I just want to kind of just talk about the journey since. Honestly, it's been fun getting a chance to just sit back, relax, and move to the tune of my own drum has been nothing more than fulfilling. The chance to wake up and meditate, man, and thank the universe. Take my time to appreciate the universe for everything that it has provided and the opportunities that have just come my way. Just take the time out to say thank you for all of that and ease my way into my own day, not being forced to do anything is, I think, one of the biggest privileges, man, here on earth, whether or not tomorrow is my last day or whether or not I got, another year left. I want to say that I've spent a good portion of my time fulfilled. And I understand that being able to exist outside of a 9-to-5 is a very rare type of lifestyle for people. Most of us will never make it out of the 9-to-5 lifestyle because we're too lazy to watch a couple of YouTube videos and develop a skill for ourselves. But when I sit up and look at those people that's miserable, getting ready to clock in or head into work, it always humbles me a little bit inside, man, because I think, I could go back to being that one day if I don't focus, if I don't keep watching YouTube videos and keep developing a skill that can get me outside of that and allow me to work for myself. If people only knew that that was the thing that was holding most of us back, just learning some type of skill, reading a couple of books that help us get the knowledge necessary. It puts things into perspective for me, for sure. I got family members that I'm watching struggle, man, that I don't even think is hope for. I think for a lot of them it's over, man. And they got a good 40, 50 years left. But for some of them, I'm pretty sure in that 40 or 50 year span, they won't sit down and read those necessary books, watch those necessary videos, or listen to those necessary lectures to get inside the mindset, man. And a lot of people always tell me, well, you're different. You have this advantage. No, I'm not different. I made certain decisions. Why can't they make certain decisions? I grew up in the same neighborhoods, in the same households with these loser people. What was the difference? It's just the choices that I made. I chose to consume certain types of content that gave me certain types of information that allowed me to behave a certain type of way. That's really all I'm doing, man. And I'm just kind of like watching the universe just work for me. Maybe it's all an illusion. Maybe it's all in my head, but this is a beautiful illusion. I just got off the phone with my dad yesterday, and his world is extremely different from my world. In his world, white people rule. It's horrible being black. The government is ruining shit, martial law, this and that. And in my world, is beautiful, man. I see the same things, but I'm not over consuming it. I understand that that's a world you can dive into, and there's a whole nother world that exists. You know what I'm saying? So I choose to appreciate the beauties in life. Some people don't even see the beautiful trees and flowers that's right outside their door, and I'm sorry for those people. I'm sorry that life has got you so wrapped up in whatever you wrapped up in that you can no longer see the world around you. But it's only been 90 days since I've been at my 9-to-5, and like I said, it's been nothing more than fulfilling. And I've spent longer time outside of a job or whatever, only to hit my head, business venture to fail, and I have to go back and work for somebody else. But like I said, man, when I look around me and I see those people that aren't fulfilled or aren't living the life that they want, I just see the difference. I see the difference in why, and I see how easily their situation can change, and it just makes me go that much harder. If I just stay focused, stop not going on vacation with all my friends who keep asking me, hey, Cordell, would you like to go to Miami? No, I don't want to go. Hey, Cordell, do you want to come over here and party? No, I don't want to come to your party. The longer I stay in the house, the brighter my future looks. So if I just stay in the house and focus, I don't have to end up like the lady I seen at the bus stop yesterday who's mad the bus is late and her legs hurt from work. I don't want to be like, my mom who wakes up in the morning with an attitude because she has to go in, you know what I'm saying? And all you have to do is just pick a skill that you're passionate about, that you would like to get better at. Focus on developing that skill. It's that simple, man.